Hi all, it's Mark once again. I would like to thank you very much for all the views, comments, feedbacks, and subscriptions. I have decided to record another video upon request of the user using the nickname Meshamorum. Sorry for mispronouncing. I hope you won't feel insulted. Uh, this user asked me to explain the second mode, not the auto trading mode, but signals mode. So then here I am. Uh, One important thing I didn't mention about the trends, the signals in the previous video is the risk factor. With the risk factor, there's one general rule that the higher the risk, the bigger profit can be made. So then if you think that it's worth of giving a try to higher risk, you can do it. As you can see, I've been trading on many high risk trades. Majority of them was won. Okay, so then, speaking of the signals, uh, here you have estimated time for that signal trade to be available. So then this one is, for example, available for 50 seconds. Still, this for 65. Uh, Here for 23 seconds. And this is how it looks, right? Like here you have the small flowing chart showing how the price is changing. And speaking of trades, you can open them using different amounts. For example, I will try to open with 0. It shows that this is too low amount. This is more or less $5. Let's try to open another one and check what is the top price available. Okay, so then let's type in 1. Yes, and here, as you can see, this is too big amount to open the trade. The maximum trade is 0.006 Bitcoin, uh, roughly $50, right? Okay. So then, as speaking of opening those trades, as I told you, as I have balances into cryptocurrencies, I can trade only on those. As you can see, uh, I have already made some profits. I will explain you later on how much have I won. So then let's select the cryptocurrency pair. Let it be Bitcoin and USD. Okay. So then, as you can see, there are low risk and high risk trades available. Let's give a try to open with the high risk. Okay, so then this is the recommended amount. I will type in biggest amount available. Okay, so then now the software will open the trade. As you can see, notification. Here it is under open trades, amount of investment and possible profit. The software will keep the trade open for the 6 minutes. So then in the meantime, I will show you the results. To be honest, I did not have a lot of time to sit in the front of computer. So then you will see that I have been trading on just 2 days, 24th and today. And as you can see, the software is not 100% efficient. And this is why I as will recommend you, because as you can see, that trends were changing. So then I recommend you to have at least two cryptocurrencies. If the software will have on that particular moment worse conditions for trading at one of the currencies, then you simply switch to another one, right? Pretty impressive, huh? Okay, still 5 minutes, so then uh, I will come back to you after those 5 minutes and we'll see how the trade ended. Okay, so then I'm back. That trade was won. As you can see, the balance has changed from the previous time I recorded. I started recording when my balance in BTC was 0.2509. Right now it's 0.325975. With Litecoin, I started having 1.5162, and right now it's 20052. And to give you clarification, I'm going simply to calculate how much profits the software made using and that both methods of trading because I used both auto trading and signals. Okay, so then let's count it. 0.32595 minus 0.2509. Okay, so then this is the profit I made. So then, as you can see, just on the Bitcoin itself, I made almost $600 of the profit. Right now, let's count how much profit I made with the Litecoin. Okay, LTC. Here it is. Once again, calculator. 2.0052 minus 1.5162. Okay, almost half of the Litecoin. So then let's check how much I made. Almost $60. Not so bad, as Litecoin is much cheaper than Bitcoin. Still, I find it quite satisfactory. Uh, over $600 made just by the 2 days of trading. Of course, if I had bigger balance, let's say whole Bitcoin, then I would not make $600, but something like 6,000, 7,000. So then I must say that as for now, I'm really satisfied that the software works as promised. As you can see, it it is not 100% efficient, but as I mentioned, it's physically impossible to reach such efficiency. I would say that it's something like 75, 80%. So then pretty good results. So then thank you very much for your time. And if you have any requests, any questions, just leave the comments and remember to subscribe. Thank you very much and have a nice one.